Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add mutual friends on Telegram. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, I can tell you that Telegram doesn't provide any feature to see a mutual friend on Telegram. So if you see the Telegram mutual friend, you can just simply ask your friend to the other friend's usernames or ID. And the second method is you can just simply go to the contacts option at the bottom left corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you will find the contacts, and this is the way you can see the mutual friends on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.